Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to search of stuff on GoWish. Now, if you want to search of stuff on GoWish but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GoWish app on the device. So if you have not installed the GoWish app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, you just need to open the GoWish app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of GoWish, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various wishes and wish lists at the very top. So to search of stuff on GoWish, you just need to see the trending page like this. So click on the trending page and it takes you to the various pages which are trending right now on the GoWish app. So from here you'll see various options. So you just need to select the option of the place where you are from. So select it like this, and here you will see various things like this. So simply tap on it, or also you may go back and also click on the option of creators, products, trending, brands, and everything. So you may search the products or stuff like this on GoWish. That's it. That's how you can search of the stuff on GoWish. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.